Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zia. How are you? So today on the menu, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this delicious vegan calamari dish. Now, I've actually have not tried this recipe before, but I've been seeing it everywhere online, so I really want to give it a go because lately I have been trying to eat less meat, and I feel like if this recipe is delicious as it looks, then I will have another alternative to calamari because I really do love calamari. So let's get into it. Alright, so the main ingredient, aka the star of the show, are these delicious oyster mushrooms. These oyster mushrooms are what are going to replicate that meaty taste that is similar in calamari. So you're going to need about 3 or 4 oyster mushrooms for a full dish of calamari. The first thing that you're going to do is remove the head from the oyster mushroom. You're not going to need this part, so you can save it for a different dish. Then what you're going to do is you're going to chop up the stem of the oyster mushroom to about 1/4 an inch thick to 1/2 an inch thick. This is the most effective way to cook the oyster mushroom and you'll get the best results. Now, to make them look like calamari even more, what I do is I take the top of a piping bag and all I do is I'm going to press down in the middle to create a little hole, and this will give it a ring effect, which will make it look even more like a little calamari ring. Time for the batter. First, in the bowl, add in 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of some good cornstarch. For the seasonings, you're going to start off with 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of sea salt for flavor, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of some good garlic powder. Give that all a good mix. Then you're going to incorporate 1 cup of club soda. Mix that up until the batter is nice and smooth. Then you're going to fully coat your mushroom in the batter. Make sure that the inside of the mushroom is coated well also, and there's no excess dripping off. Once your oil reaches to 350 degrees, drop your mushrooms in and fry them for about 2 minutes on each side. You'll know that they're ready when they turn a light golden brown color. And these are the finished products. They look so good and they smell amazing. You can add a little bit of parsley on top. And here they are. I just added a lemon slice on the side and they came out looking so pretty and they smell absolutely delicious. I am so excited to try them. And so I am back with the calamari. It smells so amazing. It was actually pretty simple to make and it literally looks so similar to actual calamari. So I'm gonna give it a try with the lemon, a little bit of parsley. And let's go for it. This is insane. This literally tastes so similar to actual calamari. Oh my god. I would 100 out of 100% recommend this. This is so delicious and it literally looks so beautiful. Hey guys, well that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun making this calamari and I am honestly still blown away by those results. Like I could probably eat this whole dish by myself, but my mom is here so I'm not sure. But thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!